it's recording. I'm not for sure what happened. I looked up and my camera was off, so I'll just kind of recap. We have started a cup, and I put yellow, then red, then blue. Whoop, and you can't see my colors. The yellow, then red, then blue, then a green. In here I did one rotation. The yellow is apple barrel, bright yellow. And then I have folk art, apple red. And then I have real blue. And that's the indoor-outdoor gloss from apple barrel. And then I have a glittery emerald green from folk art. And these are mixed with Floetrol medium.
Yay!
A little excitement going on over.
Don't double dip.
I'm not. I'm just pouring.
Okay. Don't dip though. Because then you'd be double dipping.
Who said it? Okay.
Oh, you do double layers.
Yeah.
I see how it is. You don't want to share the 8-layer cake, do you?
8-layer cake?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 over there. You don't want to share that.
You didn't get 8 out of that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Why do you expect me to know things?
Because you're a brilliant child.
Thank you.
And you're
But still-
my grandson, so. Okay.
Thank you, but still. Why do you expect me to know things?
Okay, so. Do we want to flip it again? Do we want to start it here and just kind of like pour it across there?
Let's do how we did last time. That turned out really well.
Okay, so just sit it in the middle and then we'll let it set and lift it up. Okay.
And also maybe put the thumbtack through again, because that really provoked the paint.
Yes, it did. It helps give it an air hole to start flowing out. Okay.
Yep, that's definitely provoking. Hey, it kind of looks like an anime character, All Might. Kind of looks like his colors.
Whoop.
Maybe lift it up now?
Here you go, wait. Try something. Let's go this way with it.
Lift it up, should I?
Yeah. That one's got good and centered. Oh, you're making designs in it. You make a design over here. It's already start running off up here. Oop, and it goes over there too. Cool.
There's a little tiny bit of rainbow starry nightness.
Yeah. Okay. Ready for me to start tilting?
Wait.
What are you doing?
It did nothing for some reason.
I might give it this.
What?
Pick up some of the... Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Oh, here's a puddle of dark over here from the last one.
And by the way, this is the same day as we made the last video. Made the last
There you
video
go. I put
the
a
same
dark dot in. Is that what you was wanting?
Yeah, I was
Okay.
trying to do it, but I couldn't.
I think it's because your
Glove is loose.
glove is a little wobbly there.
Whee!
You broke your finger. Okay, don't be flinging paint.
But I can't actually break my finger. Would you like to...
Papa's gonna be like, hello.
Let me take off my glove.
No, you're good. You
Oh
just
no, I want to show you a trick.
No, we're painting right now, so let's leave it on. Okay, I'm gonna start tilting.
Okay. Whee! The paint set as it was flushed around.
I did pre-treat the canvas with gesso.
Queso?
Gesso.
Oh, I thought you put cheese on it.
Queso.
Hey, hey. Say it correctly. Say it correctly.
Queso.
Thank you.
How did I say it before? That's how
Queso. You said it queso.
What did I say the second time?
Queso.
Queso? Whatever. Here we go. Okay. What are you thinking?
It looks pretty good. Maybe do this. Oops.
Do you want the V? Ooh, how about throw a random letter in it? What do you want me to throw a letter?
Why not
Down
V?
here?
Maybe right here.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Or up on this? Yeah.
In the middle.
Just in the big fat middle? You don't want it offset?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Like.
Oh, a big one.
It's a bit bigger than the L though. But that's okay.
Oh, I'm gonna need some more. Try to catch my runoff here. It is
Maybe one time
psychedelic.
you should do a live stream.
Hey. Maybe
Look for that.
my
Look for
fingers
that,
are dripping.
viewers. Just an hour of art. H-A. H-O-A. Look forward to an hour of art.
An hour.
Yep. And I might even be in it.
I need to have a bunch of paint mixed up. Okay, here you go.
Gkid 1 and 2 2 and 3 may even be in it.
Ooh. We'll have to
And
work
plus
on that.
Gkid 1, which is me. Okay. Here's that in the first video.
Clip, 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 clip. All right, there you go. It's kind of psychedelic-y.
Yeah.
You like that?
I think it works.
But this is neat how it's kind of coming through there.
It kind of looks like Venus.
Oh.
The red spot.
You want me to try to make some more dots come through?
No, I think that
No?
works.
You like that? Okay. All right. Well, I guess we are going to call this a wrap. Let me make sure the sides got full coverage on them. Am I mixing? Oops, got a big old white spot there. Oh, how that snuck up in there. Oops. Whoops. Okay, let's see. I've got to spin that around. I can't get to that side. There we go. All right. Think we're going to call that good?
Mm-hmm. I agree.
And we will catch y'all next time. Gonna have to get all the runoff here. Nice rainbow color. All right. Let that set and dry. All right. Well, thanks for joining me again. Ooh, look at that. That's starting to really develop there. All right. Well, thanks for joining me for Kreations by Kim. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share it and everything. And I guess we'll see y'all next go-round. Bye-bye.
Run over to the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is just an extra scene because
Okay. All right. Gkid 1 wanted to add something. What? An extra scene of?
this is just an extra scene of what I can do with my fingers.
Oh.
What I was saying about earlier.
Oh. Oh, that's
Remember
right.
how she said
You're double
I
jointed.
broke my fingers? I can break my fingers. I really can break my fingers.
You're double jointed. Whatever. All right. We'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.